CHOReVOLUTION is an integrated development and runtime environment that leverages a software engineering innovation called choreography of services. The conventional approach to compose services is called orchestration. Orchestration is centralized. It works well in static environments where services are predefined and rarely change, but it's not adapted to large-scale public applications on the internet. CHOReVOLUTION proposes a new method for composing services. We call it service choreography. Choreography means there is no central coordination and no bottleneck. Applications can attain far greater scalability than with traditional orchestration methods. Of course, there is a need for some intelligence, but with choreography it is distributed among the services. That's the magic of CHOReVOLUTION. CHOReVOLUTION is a toolbox of well-integrated front-end and back-end components, enhanced by a flexible cloud infrastructure. The CHOReVOLUTION Studio is an Eclipse-based IDE. Business experts, process designers, and service providers use it to design service choreographies based on the standard BPM and notation by simple drag-and-drop operations. CHOReVOLUTION automatically synthesizes the software artifacts that make possible the distributed execution of the applications. Generation, deployment, and secure execution of the distributed applications are supported by the CHOReVOLUTION backend. The application runs on a distributed cloud that scales automatically without having to over-provision computing resources. Once the application is deployed, it can be monitored through the CHOReVOLUTION console, a web-based interface that enables choreography owners to manage corrective actions. CHOReVOLUTION is easy to use. It simply requires knowledge of the popular Eclipse development environment and the standard BPM and 2.0 approach. Let's start playing with it. After a CHOReVOLUTION project has been created, the developer specifies a choreography diagram. If the diagram is valid, the synthesis processor can be started. A wizard now guides the developer through a set of phases that automatize the generation of the required software artifacts. The selection phase is about querying the service inventory in order to select concrete services that can play the roles of the choreography participants. Next step, permits to configure binding components that serve to bridge the possibly different middleware-level interaction paradigms of the selected services. Security policies can be then specified for those services having security constraints, such as authentication, authorization, or custom security requirements. Security filters will be then generated accordingly. Whenever the selected services do not perfectly match the interface as expected by the choreography, adapters can be employed to bridge mismatches on both operation names and input-output data. Last step is about generating coordination software entities. These entities serve to coordinate the interactions among the selected services according to the collaboration prescribed by the choreography. The synthesis processor is now ready to automatically generate the code of all the configured artifacts. When ready, all the artifacts are automatically deployed on the cloud according to the architectural configuration that has also been generated. The choreography administrator can now enact the choreography and monitor its execution from the CHOReVOLUTION web console. Today, CHOReVOLUTION is much more than a research project. In Sweden, and the RISE Research Institute is using CHOReVOLUTION to integrate existing services with real-time traffic conditions to guide drivers through the fastest and most ecologically friendly routes in the city of Göteborg. In Italy, Soft Ecosystem at a systems integrator uses CHOReVOLUTION to combine multiple services from weather stations, parkings, museums, traffic control, transportation companies, etc. into innovative mobile applications for tourists in the city of Genoa. Now, you can try CHOReVOLUTION by yourself. All you have to do is download the CHOReVOLUTION virtual machine. Go to https://l.org/cpwm and welcome to the CHOReVOLUTION community.